Good morning, students. I am Kanchan Sharma. Welcome to all of you in your English class. Today we will discuss about present perfect continuous tense. So first of all, we will discuss what is tense. Tense denote an action of time or an events. Tense is related to the action of time or action of events. We can split tense into three parts: present, past and future. Present, that means we are doing. Past, we did in back, and future, that means we will do in later time. Now we will discuss the forms of the present tense. First of all, simple present tense. Number 2, perfect tense, present perfect, and number 3, present continuous. And today we will discuss present perfect continuous tense. So what is present perfect continuous tense? Present, as we clear the topic present, that means we are talking about the present tense. And present perfect continuous tense, that means an action which is started in past but still is going on. जो past में start हुआ था लेकिन अभी भी चल रहा है. And it produces the sound of रहा है, रहे हैं and रही है. That means काम कर रहे हैं, कर रही हैं और हो रहा है. और it is clearly explain the duration of the time. The action has been going on. Present perfect continuous tense. It is very quite easy topic, but if we learn some logic related to the present perfect continuous tense. First of all, we will discuss where we use has and where we use have. If the subject of the sentence is he, she, it and singular number. Singular number then that means we are talking about one person, one thing. We use has. And if the subject is I, we, you, they and plural number. Plural number that is more than one. We use have. We will discuss again, revise again. कि हम हैज और हैव कहाँ यूज करेंगे. अगर सब्जेक्ट कौन सा है he, she, it और सिंगुलर नंबर, देन वी यूज हैज. एंड इफ द सब्जेक्ट इज I, we, you, they and plural. Plural that means more than one. We use have. And when this is the also rule, duration of time. When the duration we are talking in the sentence duration of time, we use for. And when we talking point of time, we use since. If we talking it has been raining for an hour, 1 घंटे से या बारिश हो रही, then we use for. And when we are talking I have been living here since 1875, then we use since. First of all, we will discuss about positive statement, negative and interrogative. We will discuss this he or she subject where we use has and have with the help of this working model. We will revise again. If the sentence formation start from the subject I or we use have and then वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ing. I have been reading. Positive statements, we use first of all subject, then has के साथ been, has been और have been. According to the subject we use verb की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ing. We use verb की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ing and then rest of the sentence. For example, he has been studying formation of the sentence started from the subject he. Then we use has plus been plus verb की first form study plus ing then for an hour. That means he has been studying for an hour कि वो 1 घंटे से पढ़ रहा है. The next is if the subject is I, then we use have been. I have been studying for an hour. We will revise again with the help of this working model. With the help of this working model, we will learn where we use has or have. If the subject is I, we and you, we use have. Have been, I, we, you, have been, we use have been, and then reading, read, verb की first form, we will use ing with the verb की first form, and for an hour. I have been reading for an hour कि मैं 1 घंटे से पढ़ रहा हूँ. और जब हमारे पास exactly time होगा, then we use I have been reading since morning. Now we discuss about he and she, it. When the subject is he, she, it, or any another name about, we are talking about singular number, then we use has been. He has been reading since morning. Or she has been reading for an hour. She has been reading for an hour. I hope you have to clear the topic. Now come to the next point, negative statement. Negative statements, when we are talking about when we use not. For example, we use first of all subject, then has not been, has not, then been, have not been according to the subject, then verb की first form के साथ ing. For example, he has not been playing for an hour कि वो 1 घंटे से खेल नहीं रहा. Another example is I. If the sentence start from the I subject, then we use have. I have not been playing. Play is the first form of the verb, then we use with play ing for an hour. I have not been playing an hour कि मैं 1 घंटे से नहीं खेल रही. We will revise again. Negative statements, subject plus has not been or have not been according to the subject, then verb की first form के साथ ing, then rest of the sentence we use for and since. The next is interrogative statements. What is interrogative statements? When we ask questions, then we use interrogative statements. Here we use has or have in the beginning of the sentence, then subject, then been, देन वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ing, देन रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, और देन क्वेश्चन मार्क बिकॉज वी आर आस्किंग समथिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, has he. After has we use subject he, been, has he been, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म स्टडी के साथ ing, studied, has he been studying for an hour. क्या वो 1 घंटे से पढ़ रही है, क्या पढ़ रहा है? And we put question mark. Has he been studying for an hour? क्या वो that means we are asking question. क्या वो 1 घंटे से पढ़ रहा है? The next is have I been studying for an hour. Next we will do the next example for related to the since also. Has he been studying since morning? Since morning, that means कि वो सुबह से पढ़ रहा है. I hope you have cleared the topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.